Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Tuesday, September 15th. And you can see compared to yesterday, much warmer temperatures out there this morning in the upper 50s to the low 60s. And we got some nice warm weather coming not only for the rest of this week for the most part, but even after a slight cool down over the weekend, we got more warm air coming right on through the next couple of weeks to ensure that we have a September that's going to end up being above to much above normal as we had forecasted. If we look again over the area, no precipitation over the last 24 hours. If we take a look at a regional view across the Great Lakes, you can see winds out of the south, and that's going to bring that much warmer air into the region. We expect temperatures around 80 or in the 80s here over the next 3 to 4 days. May even be able to stretch 80-degree temperatures into Friday now as it looks. If we look at the MAC lightning detection network, you can see one stroke of one flash of lightning being detected, but that's back in Wisconsin and Minnesota. So again, that area should dissipate as it moves off to the northeast. And you can see on radar some of the areas that it's likely picking up some of that lightning activity across eastern Wisconsin. Again, that'll fall apart this morning with lots of sunshine expected here over the next several days. You can see on the weather map, high pressure now moving off to the east. That's going to give us that nice warm southerly flow. And that's also going to increase some of the moisture out of the Gulf. But again, right now we don't expect very much in the way of clouds, let alone precipitation again as we get in through most of the work week. And if we skip ahead a couple of days to Thursday, you can see there's our high pressure. It continues to dominate the area. But now with that flow out of the south over the last several days, we'll expect at least a chance of showers and thunderstorms on a scattered basis. And these would be across the very late hours of Thursday with this front slowly approaching the area. We're going to wait for a new storm to develop across the southwest plains. And as that front comes into Michigan, that low will move up the front towards northern lower Michigan. And as it does, that's going to bring us a really good chance of showers and thunderstorms for Friday afternoon into Saturday morning. I expect amounts right now to be at least on the order of a ½ inch to an inch, and will dry out quite a bit, looks like, in the upcoming days after this system moves by. If we take a look at the day 3 forecast for Friday, you can still see that cold front still off to our west, but now here's our new low developing on the front. And again, as this front presses in, this low will meet up across Michigan on it, and that'll bring us a pretty good opportunity for more thunderstorms, again, late Friday into Saturday. And by Saturday, you can see the low now up near Pellston, and that cold front beginning to push through the state. And again, that'll bring us a couple of days of cooler weather with highs mainly in the mid-60s to around 70, I think, as we get late into the weekend and for early next week before we warm up again. And here's the 6 to 10 day outlook. You can see much of the country above normal. We're going to dry down quite a bit once that storm goes past us here this weekend. And if we slide to the 8 to 14 day outlook, again, much of the country well above normal temperatures. And for the Great Lakes into the Northeast and Ohio Valley, looks like it'll be drier than normal. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day, and 73s to all.